Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Miss Ambar Chauhan. I'm here with your second video lesson from English literature. The topic which I'm going to discuss today is the wise caliph. Once there was a caliph of Baghdad whose name was Harun al-Rashid. He was well known for his wisdom and justice. He was also called the leader of the faithful because he guarded the rights of the poor and good people. Very often at night, Caliph Harun al-Rashid used to go through the streets of Baghdad in order to get the first-hand knowledge about the difficulties and problems of his people. So, he used to mingle among them disguised as a poor man. During his reign, the Qazi of Baghdad was brought a case about a dispute between a rich man and a beggar which he himself could not solve. And so, the Qazi brought this case to the Caliph's court. The Qazi believed that the Caliph would be able to solve this case with his knowledge and wisdom. The dispute was between a rich man and a lame beggar over the ownership of a beautiful white horse. Both the men claimed the horse to be their own property. The rich man narrated his story and said that while he was heading towards the city gate, the lame beggar stopped him and asked for a ride. The rich man felt pity for him and accepted his plea. On reaching the city gate, the beggar refused to get down the horse and started claiming the horse to be his own property. On the other hand, the beggar told the Caliph that while he was riding towards the city gate, the rich man stopped him and asked to lend him his horse. As the beggar could not lend his horse to a stranger, he offered him to ride along with him to the city gate. On reaching the city gate, the rich man tried to force the beggar to renounce his claim on his horse. The Caliph understood the case, and so he asked both the men to place their hands one by one on the horse. On the beggar's touch, the horse showed its displeasure, but at the rich man's touch, the horse displayed its pleasure by snorting and neighing. In this way, the Caliph solved the case through his knowledge and wisdom. The beautiful white horse recognized the rich man to be his real owner, and the beggar was proved to be a liar and a wicked man. The Caliph wanted to punish the beggar for his wicked deed, but instead he asked the rich man. Feeling pity for him, the rich man forgave him and gave him a handful of gold coins. Everyone in the court was pleased with this noble action of the rich man. Students, we will now review the lesson. In this story, we see the triumph of good over evil. Very often, we find it easy to punish someone for his or her bad deeds, but it is difficult to forgive instead. The one who forgives is not only praised in this world, but also becomes worthy of getting forgiveness of his own sins from the Almighty God. With this review, I have come to the conclusion of my explanation. I hope you have understood it clearly. So students, we will meet again with our next lesson. Take care and goodbye.